Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best car toolkits that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Amazon Basics Mechanic Tool Kit. More choices are always better. For that reason, this product is available in 2 different sizes with 145 and 123 pieces, to suit your preference. Each item on this toolkit set has a chrome vanadium forged body. This makes all the tools really durable. Besides, the material provides adequate strength to the tools, so that they do not get bent, or have any other damage. With the thoughtful addition of a 2-piece drive pair head ratchet, it becomes fairly easy to reach all those tight spaces. Now, you do not have to worry about corrosion wearing your tools out. The polished chrome finish protects all your tools for long-lasting usage. At number 4. Dekopro Tool Kit. This tool kit comes with an extensive number of pieces. It will surely have what you are looking for as well. All the pieces have been forged from high-quality steel. Steel lends the required strength to the tools so they can handle heavy-duty works as well. Further, the use of steel also ensures that the tools do not have any rusting anytime in the near future. Besides, all the tools also have a high polish chrome. This makes the kit immune against any corrosion, increasing their durability even more. Finally, the case of the product has been intentionally made black. This makes it dirt-resistant, reducing your cleaning trouble. At number 3. Dewalt Mechanics Tool Set DWMT81534. This is another amazing product from the long line of Dewalt toolsets. The toolset gives special attention to ensure you can work in comfort. The screwdriver slipping from your hands can result in a terrible accident. For that reason, the set provides you with an anti-slip design, which proves to be really ergonomic, so you can work without feeling any strain on your hands. The set also has the interesting feature of direct torque technology, letting you have better contact with fasteners. With a set of 205 different pieces coming in varying sizes, all your repairing needs can be looked after. Having a lifetime warranty to back the product, what more assurance can you ask for? From a variety of sockets to bits, you get everything in here. At number 2. Stanley Mechanics Tool Kit. Innovation has a new name with Stanley. The tool kit comes in a unique tri-fold storage case. This makes accessing the tools much more convenient and quick, as the entire kit opens up. Moreover, the case has a twisted lock. Therefore, your tools remain securely inside without any chance of popping out. Besides, the storage case makes carrying the product from one place to another really easy. If that was not enough, the case is also blow-molded. Having a chrome vanadium forged body, you will be able to have great torque. Having sockets and wrenches from both SAE and metrics, you get to choose from an array of useful tools. You can say goodbye to the trouble of corrosion with this product. All the tools have a full polish chrome finish. At number 1. Craftsman Mechanics Toolset. A lot of thought has been given in the design of this product. When it comes to variety, you cannot get any better than this massive 450 pieces toolset. Although, this product takes as much care of quality as it pays attention to quantity. With an assortment of 16 combination wrenches, you will be able to get in any corner even your ratchet cannot help you with. The ratchets have a quick release design. This makes changing them much quicker, as you can change them with one hand. Given the help of the carrying case, you will be able to keep all your tools neatly organized in one place. Having an ergonomic handle, the set provides great mobility for you to carry the tools anywhere you like. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.